Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani working here as functions consultant. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about ledgers overview. So let's start. What is ledger? A ledger account is a combination of all the ledgers and contains information related to all the accounting activities of an organization. What is ledger in Oracle Fusion application? Oracle Fusion applications reflect the traditional segregation between the general ledger and associated subledgers. Detailed transactional information is captured in these subledgers and periodically imported and posted in summary or detail to the ledger. Types of ledger in Oracle Fusion application. So there are two types of ledgers, that is general ledger and subledger. A subledger is a ledger containing all of a detailed subset of transactions. The total of the transaction in the subledger roll up into the general ledger. General ledger. General ledger has three balancing segments that can be combined to provide detailed reporting for each legal entity and then rolled up to provide consolidated financial statements. Primary ledger. In the given image, you can see that primary ledger has 4 C's. Now, what is primary ledger? A primary ledger in Oracle Fusion is where all the primary accounting information will be maintained. A primary ledger will have 4 key objects assigned to it. That is chart of accounts, calendar, currency, and accounting method. This is the accounting configuration. All the accounting configuration done in primary ledger that helps in our accounting transaction. Ledgers, legal entities, balancing segments, and business units. Here in the given image, you can see we have the following objects. We will see what they are. A primary ledger. Primary ledger is the main record keeping ledger. It records transactional balances by using a chart of accounts with a consistent calendar and currency and accounting rules implemented in an accounting method. It is closely associated with the subledger transactions and provides context and accounting for them. A secondary ledger. It is an optional ledger linked to a primary ledger for the purpose of tracking alternative accounting, and it can differ from its primary ledger by using a different accounting method, chart of accounts, accounting calendar, currency, or processing options. Reporting currency. Reporting currencies maintain and report accounting transactions in additional currencies. Legal entities. The legal environment dictates how the legal entity should perform its financial, legal, and management reporting. Legal entities generally have the right to own property and the obligation to comply with labor laws for their country. Balancing segments. You assign primary balancing segment values to all legal entities before assigning values to the ledger. Then assign specific primary balancing segment values to the primary and secondary ledgers to represent non-legal entity related transactions such as adjustments. Business units. A business unit is a unit of an enterprise that performs one or many business functions that can be rolled up in a management hierarchy. So this was an overview of ledger. We have a separate video on some of the topics. So we will discuss in that video. For now, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you understood.